Hi everyone, I wanted to make a video on this my AC right now. It is not blowing cold, and what's going on is my AC compressor fan clutch is stuck, and that's why it's not blowing cold. I'm going to show you where it's at and show you what to do to get your AC blowing cold again. So let's go out and look at the engine bay and go from there. There's your AC compressor and the fan clutch right there. It's stuck. It's not rotating. And when your AC compressor fan clutch gets stuck and it's not rotating, you got to get it to spin again. So what I'm going to do right now is turn the truck off. We'll go back over here. So what you'll have to do when this happens to get your AC to start blowing cold again, it's actually kind of stuck and seized up a little bit. If you're on the road, you need it to get blowing again, you need to get that thing spinning. So what you're going to need is WD-40 and a screwdriver. And what you'll want to do is spray some WD-40 in this clutch right here, this fan clutch. It's supposed to be rotating so that your AC, you'll get plenty of AC. Get some WD-40 in there. Get a screwdriver, just rotate that thing. Yep, felt it, it's a little bit stiff. So just get a little bit more. Yep, sprayed some more in there, so it should work now. So let's go and turn the truck back on. All right, let's walk back out here and take a look here. There you go. Now it's spinning. So the AC should be working. So now the fan clutch is spinning on that AC compressor and the AC should be working. Let's go back here and just check. Yep, it's blowing cold again. And that's what you got to do when your AC fan clutch gets stuck.